I'm delighted to welcome you as a new faculty member to University College Dublin. At UCD, we take great pride in the excellent educational experience that we offer our students. I encourage you to participate, contribute and benefit from the many events, courses, community activities and resources offered by UCD Teaching and Learning to support you in your role and hopefully contribute to an enjoyable and fulfilling teaching and learning experience for you and your students. Newly appointed faculty are particularly encouraged to enrol on one of our accredited programmes in University Teaching and Learning. We're conscious that faculty have multiple demands on their time, and so we've designed our programmes to be flexible, offering choice in module selection and duration of study. Faculty who've completed programmes with us testify to the benefits gained, which include opportunities to critically reflect on their teaching grounded in educational theory and research, opportunities to plan, develop and review new teaching and learning initiatives in their own discipline, and in particular, peer learning through sharing teaching practices and perspectives with colleagues from across the university. You can hear more from our alumni about their experiences on our programmes through the video testimonials on our website. Each semester we organise an induction session for early career academics, particularly those new to UCD. This 2-hour session introduces participants to the fundamental principles and practices of higher education teaching and learning, with emphasis on learner-centred approaches. Keep an eye on our website for upcoming sessions. The Teaching and Learning website is an excellent source of new ideas and collegial advice, offering guidance on a diverse range of teaching and learning topics and providing just-in-time help with planning and developing your teaching. Disciplinary examples of practice from across UCD are also available. Our face-to-face workshop events are complemented by the UCD Teaching and Learning online community, which is hosted in Google+. New faculty are especially welcome to join. The community is for sharing, discussing information in relation to teaching and learning in UCD, and there are currently over 400 active members. UCD is a research-intensive university, and we encourage you to link your teaching and research and to engage in scholarship of teaching and learning. Keep an eye on our website for information about awards, grants and fellowships that recognise and enable educational enhancement and research. Finally, we recognise that balancing teaching, research and administration is a significant challenge for new and experienced faculty. But please remember, you aren't alone. Support is available through UCD Teaching and Learning and for the teaching and learning leaders in your school and college. Don't hesitate to contact me or one of my colleagues, and we really look forward to seeing you at a teaching and learning event soon.